Ralph Loop, the plugin that runs Claude Code autonomously. Introduction. If you've been active in AI development communities lately, you've probably noticed a peculiar name popping up everywhere, Ralph Loop, formerly known as Ralph Wiggum. What started as a clever bash script by developer Geoffrey Huntley has become one of the most talked about techniques in the AI coding space. Developers are sharing stories of waking up to completed projects, running migrations overnight, and shipping the features while they sleep. What exactly is Ralph Loop? How does it work? Should you be using it? What is Ralph Loop? Ralph Loop is a plugin for Claude Code, Anthropic's command-line AI coding assistant. Okay. Now that's very more specific because I thought it was just a literal shell script, but okay, you plug it into Claude Code. That transforms it into an autonomous agent capable of working on tasks for hours or even days without human intervention. I can only imagine the amount of tokens being burned here. The core concept is deceptively simple. It's a loop that keeps running Claude until your task is complete. Alors, in terms of completion, regular Claude Code stops when it feels done. With the Ralph Loop, it stops only when success criteria are met. The original technique by Geoffrey Huntley distills to just a few lines. So while do prompt to pipe into Claude and done. Okay. The official Anthropic plugin implements this through Claude Code's stop hook feature. Here's what happens under the hood. Voilà. Okay. You invoke Ralph Loop with prompt. Claude starts working on a task. Claude attempts to... So it starts working on task. Claude attempts to exit. Stop hooks intercepts the exit. Check. Success criteria met. No. Re-inject original prompt. Claude sees modified code base and start working on task again. If the success criteria is yes, is met, then loops terminates, or max iteration reach, loops terminates. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's very simple. It's not clear. The magic, iterative self-improvement. The critical insight is that each iteration doesn't start from scratch. Claude sees the modified code base from previous attempts, including Git history and changed files. Feedback loop. Claude makes changes, Claude reviews what it did, and Claude fixes issues from previous attempts, repeat until done. As Huntley puts it, it's better to fail predictably than succeed unpredictably.